That's pretty impressive. Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Hey guys, it's Devin with Skar Audio, and we got a treat for you today. We have Graham Barton, the starting center for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. We got his 2022 F-150 Super Crew Cab in for a full system install. So what we're going to be putting in his truck, we're starting off with two EVL8 D4s. They're going to be going in our 2x8 ported vehicle-specific enclosure. Fits perfectly under the rear seat. Sounds absolutely amazing. For the doors, we're going to be doing the TXTs up in the front pillars for the tweeter location. TX65 6.5-inch coaxials for the rear doors, TX69 6x9 coaxials for the front doors, and then we're going to be powering in the whole system with our new SA series amplifiers. We just released these about a month ago. They're awesome. They're selling like hotcakes. For the mids and highs, we're doing the 50.4, and then for the subs, we're going to be doing the 1000.1 mono blocks. It's going to be plenty of power for these. It's going to sound great. And then on top of that, we're going to be wiring the whole system up with a 4-gauge OFC kit. We got our 20 amp hour AGM battery just for some extra juice for the whole system. And then lastly, to prevent all the rattles, we're going to be doing our Pro Series sound dampening kit in the whole truck. The whole system should sound pretty awesome once it's all done. Stick around, we're going to get some install footage, and then also get Graham's reaction once he comes to pick truck up. All right guys, we're here with Graham. He's here to pick up the F-150. We're all done with the complete install on this truck. You were telling me you've never had a system, right?
I've never had a system, no.
So you ready to experience some
I don't know what I'm in for, but let's see.
And it's also your dream truck too, right?
Yeah. I always wanted a truck, and figured this was a good start for me. So cool, excited about it, yeah.
Cool, well let's get in the truck and we'll get his reaction. I'll sit over here. All right, so we're gonna see Graham's reaction. His first system ever.
That's pretty impressive. Yeah, that's pretty neat. I've only ever had like the original, like whatever came with the car. So this is impressive. That's really cool.
It's awesome, man.
That's really neat.
They said we did all the doors. So the doors, front rear doors are done. We did tweeters. And we had the two EVL8s in the back.
These ones right here. It sounds really good.
It's very hard to get a base in the trucks and whatnot.
I can imagine. Yeah, I can imagine. All the way back there.
Yeah, sounds good though.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's awesome. Thank you guys.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, I appreciate
Thank
you
you
guys.
for giving us the opportunity.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. Happy to.
Yeah.
Easy to trust you guys with it. So thank you very much.
Of course, man. Thank you.
Appreciate it.